Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So we are celebrating upcoming Valentine week. Today I have prepared a game through which you can literally propose to your crush. So all you need to do is you need to click on the start game and this heart's going to start falling. So you have a basket, you need to use that to catch all these hearts, and as it is done, you can see at the top this love meter which keep on increasing, and once when it hit 100%, it's going to show you this screen. Will you be my Valentine? So obviously she would want to click on no, but not option, she can't click no way. Only option is to click on yes, and as she click on yes, you just proposed her. So happy proposed day, I love you. So that's the project I have created. Let's see how you can also build this similar project and how to deploy and how you can share this project with your crush so that she can also play this game, and after playing this game you'll be just literally proposing her. Funny, isn't it? So let's build this together. So for that, first you need to go to your browser and go to Geeky Script GitHub account, and then you need to go to repositories. So here you'll get this project, Valentine projects propose day. So go inside. This link I'm going to provide right on our video description. I have to basically download this project. So click on code and download the zip file, and here it is already downloaded. So this is our project. You need to extract it. So start to extract it. If you go inside, you will get this project main folder. Go inside and you will get all files and folders over here. Here when you double click on this index.html file, you can see the project. Now let's see how you can deploy this project so that you can literally send this link to your crush. So for that, open a new tab and just search Age 1 Pages Drop. So just go to that site. Again, this link I'm going to provide right on our video description. Here you need to select this folder and to browse to that folder that you have downloaded. So here is that project folder. Click on upload. Upload 3 files to the site, yes. Click on start deployment. It's going to upload all the files, and there it is. So it is successfully deployed, but you can see that our site will be live for just an hour. We don't want that, right? So for that you need to sign in first. So click on the sign up for free. So like here you need to fill all the details. Click on get a code. You need to do this captcha first. Okay, I missed that. It's a bit tricky, you know. Click on OK, and it is done now. A verification code will be sent to my email ID. So I'm going to paste that code. I'm going to check all these options and going to click on sign up for free. And there you go. We are rightly signed in, and as you click on this URL, you can see that our site is properly up and running and this URL. So you can share this with your crush and you can ask him or her to play this game. So as you click on the start game, this heart going to start falling. So basically your crush will be capturing all those hearts, and you can see that love meter at the top, going to keep on increase. So that's how you can create this type of game, and you can share this with your crush. And if you find these videos helpful, or at least if this video put a smile on your face, then please do consider subscribing our channel Geeky Script, and also please do join our community for more such videos. Previously I have created where building a Valentine website where she can't literally just say no. So you can watch all these different videos including these cool Python projects. So like all these games, this rock paper scissors game, you can always watch for completely free on our channel. And detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.